Hey guys, is your Outlook not starting? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through some quick fixes. First, restart your computer. So for this, save any work and restart your computer. Restarting can resolve minor software glitches that prevent Outlook from opening. Next, check for multiple Outlook processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate any instances of Outlook.exe. Then select each instance and click the End Task. After closing all processes, try reopening Outlook. Next, start Outlook in safe mode. So for this, press Windows key plus R, type Outlook.exe or save and press Enter. If Outlook opens in safe mode, proceed to check for problematic add-ins. After this, disable faulty add-ins. So for this, in Outlook, go to File, then select Options and select Add-ins. After this, under Manage, select COM Add-ins and click Go. Then uncheck all add-ins and click OK. Then restart Outlook normally. If the issue persists, then repair Outlook data files. Locate the scanpst.exe on your computer, open the tool and browse to your Outlook data files. Click Start to scan and repair to fix any issues. Next, repair the Office installation. For this, open Control Panel, select Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office and then click Change. After that, choose Quick Repair, then click Repair. If the issue persists, try Online Repair. Next, reset the navigation pan. So for this, press Windows key plus R, then type Outlook.exe or Reset Nav pane and press Enter. This resets navigation pan settings to their defaults. If repairing does not help, then create a new profile. For this, close Outlook, open Control Panel and then select Mail. After this, click Show Profiles. Then click Add, enter a name and set up your email account. Next, update Outlook. For this, go to File, then select Office account. After that, select Update options and Update Now lastly. Install any available updates. If the issue persists, then check for Windows updates. For this, open Settings, then select Update and Security. After that, select Windows Update. Check for updates and install any pending updates. Restart your computer after updates are applied. If none of these steps resolve the issue, then contact Microsoft support or consult a certified technician for further assistance. And that's it. With these simple fixes, your Outlook should be running smoothly in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips.